Hello everyone, welcome back to another SolidWorks video. And for this video we're going to be continuing to do more examples as a continuation of the last video. So let's just go ahead and let's open up a new part file and take a look at part number 3. So for this part, it's very similar to the one I just did, but it looks like we got an opening on an angle. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by doing a circular revolve, and then I'll create this boss and then do a shell at the very end. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. I'll do a sketch on the front plane. Start with the center line. Okay. And I'm going to go over, over, and close it like that. Alright, let's take a look at some dimensions. So I got 1.5 on here. Okay, I've got 2.75 here. Okay, I have 0.2 here. Oops, not negative sketch. Edit sketch. 0.2 there. All right. And I have 2.8 here. And that should be it. So I'm going to close off the contour here. And I'm going to do a revolve. Okay. Alright, and so now I need to put in a round here of 0.33. Hit OK. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and create that boss that's on the angle. So I need to make a reference plane. So let me grab the front plane here. Okay, so I've got a center line that's going to run up like so. And then I've got another center line that's going to go like so. And it looks to be like it's calling out 0.5 here. Okay, and angle 60 here, and 1.5 here. Alright, now I'm going to put a plane right on this point. So I'll exit the sketch, go to reference geometry plane, select that point, and then select the line. Alright, and now I got the sketch. So I'll put got the plane, so I'll put this plane on the sketch. It's not letting me grab the origin. Let me try doing it afterwards. Alright, so I just had to rotate a little bit. Now I can grab it. So now I'll go coincident. There we go. Yeah, sometimes SolidWorks will be a little funny. You just got to change the orientation of the sketch to get a relation in that you want. Let me go back to being normal. And this is 1 inch in diameter. Okay. And now I'm going to do an extrude. Up to surface, and I'll select this surface right here. Okay, now I think I'm ready to shell it. So I'm going to go shell, select this face, and this face, and I want to shell it to a thickness of 0.2. Show preview. That looks to be correct. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put the bolt holes But I noticed I made this just a little too much. It's actually 0.13, not 0.33. So let me go ahead and fix that. 0.13, that looks to be more reasonable. And now I'm going to put the holes in. So sketch, normal to, go vertical, and this appears to be on another common bolt diameter, so I'm going to just create a reference circle for construction, and I'm going to call that out as being does it have it? It's calling out radius 1.13, so I'm just gonna make that 2.25. There we go. Okay, I'll make this and this coincident, and the diameter of this is 0.25. All right, I'll do an extrude cut. Up to next, like so. And I'm going to do a circular pattern. And that'll do it for that part. All right, let's take a look at the last part we're going to do. We've kind of got this shape right here. So this is also going to make use of the shell feature. So I'm going to create one solid body and then shell everything out. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. So I'll go new part. Okay. And I'll start the top plane. And I'm going to let's go 4 by 3. This should make use of the draft extrusion. Let's start with that. And yeah, let's try that. Let's do a extrusion of 1 and draft 4-degree. Yeah, that's right. That's what I want. Actually, let me reverse that direction. I want that. Yep, that's right. Okay, so I've got the 4 on the top, and it's going to draft inwards at a 5-degree angle. All right, I think I'm good. Let's go ahead and let's put the rounds in now. So each of those are going to be 0.75. So there, 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 and there. Just like that. Perfect. All right, and now I got the boss on the bottom, which is circular. So in order to get that right, calling up the diameter on the bottom. So I think what's going to be easiest is to create plane offset by 1 inch. Okay, I'll do a circle right here, 1.5. And this is going to be, we'll reverse that, and then do an up to next. And I want that to be a draft outwards of 15. I think that's right. I'll hit OK. So I think I'm pretty good now. I'm going to put another round here of 0.13. Put that in first. And I think now I'm good to go for the shell. Let's go ahead and give that a shot. And it's going to be to a thickness of 0.1. So, and that looks right. Oh, actually, hold on. I missed one thing. Let me back up. So, I'm going to go ahead and suppress that by moving that line up there. And I'm going to put another round in right here. All the way around of 0.13. Hit OK. And now drag this back down. There we go. That's what I want. Now I got that nice round shape inside as well as on the outside. So that's going to do it for this video. If you've liked what you see so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content such as this. Until next time, have a good one. Bye-bye.